Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add email address and phone number on Instagram app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on Edit Profile button. Tap on Personal Information Settings. To change your email address, tap on Email Address section. So you can add your email address by typing in a blank. After that, tap on the icon in the upper right. To change your phone number, tap on Phone Number section. So you can change your phone number by typing in the blank. Thus, the process of adding your email address and phone number on Instagram app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.